Welcome to the architecture section. In this video, we'll walk through the structure of the PISTIS wallet system, explaining how components like the identity wallet, the smart contract engine, and the blockchain work together. The architecture is built around three main components. First, the data factory user wallet. Second, the smart contract execution engine. And third, the distributed ledger technology layer, which is based on Hyperledger Besu. There's also a monetary wallet, managed by another partner. That one handles financial transactions and falls outside our current scope. Each component has a clear role. The data factory user wallet manages identity. It issues digital signatures and authenticates users. The smart contract execution engine acts as the orchestrator. It verifies inputs, manages smart contracts, and interacts with the ledger. The DLT stores metadata, not raw data, such as who performed which action and when, all cryptographically signed. Any financial operations are managed separately by the monetary wallet. This separation between components is intentional. It enhances privacy, since your identity wallet is completely separate from payment systems. It ensures compliance, because personal and financial data are never mixed. And it makes development easier. Each component can evolve, be tested, and be deployed independently. Let's look at a simple example. A user requests access to a dataset. The data factory user wallet signs that request. The smart contract execution engine then validates it, triggers a smart contract, and logs the event on the DLT. The actual dataset transfer happens off-chain, securely and privately. The data factory user wallet is strictly an identity wallet. It never handles money, stores balances, or processes payments. Its sole purpose is to manage cryptographic keys, sign messages, and prove user control. It communicates only with the smart contract execution engine and never interacts directly with the blockchain. The smart contract execution engine is the system's gatekeeper. It verifies signatures, checks contract logic, triggers ledger operations, and ensures that every metadata event is recorded accurately. All on-chain interactions flow through the smart contract execution engine, without exception. The PISTIS wallet architecture follows a clear modular design. Identity management is handled by the data factory user wallet. Contract logic is executed by the smart contract execution engine. Metadata is recorded on the DLT, and monetary flows are kept entirely separate, managed through an external wallet operated by another partner. In the next section, we'll focus on the wallet itself. We'll examine the key technical principles that shape its design, including privacy, key management, and how it integrates with other components of the PISTIS platform.